Welcome to English Flow Listening, where you improve your English naturally every day. If you can understand this story, your English is already at an advanced level. This story will help you think in English, not translate. Now, let's begin. My name is Peter. I am 28 years old. I live in a small town. I have a big dream. I want to speak English fluently, but there is one problem. My English is very weak. I cannot speak English well. I always say to myself, when I try to speak I feel nervous, my hands shake, my voice becomes low. I forget simple words. People laugh at me. They say your English is so bad. This makes me very sad. Every day I wake up early. I tell myself, today is a new day. I will try again. I watch English videos. I read English books, I write English sentences, but nothing works. Why is this so hard? I ask myself. One day, my friend Ollie comes to my house. He speaks English very well. I ask him, how do you speak so well? He smiles and says, can I tell you a secret? Yes, please tell me. I say, Ollie sits next to me. He says, Peter, you are making one big mistake. What mistake? I ask, you only watch videos, you never practice, you never speak. I think about this. He is right, I only listen. I never speak. Ollie continues, English is like swimming. You cannot learn swimming by watching videos. You have to jump in the water, so what should I do? I ask. Ollie gives me a simple plan. Ollie says, follow these 5 steps every day. Step 1. Learn 5 new sentences daily. Not words, sentences, because we speak in sentences. Step 2. Repeat each sentence 10 times. Say it loudly. Say it clearly. Step 3. Use these sentences in real life. Talk to yourself. Talk to friends. Talk to family. Step 4. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are your teachers. They help you learn. Step 5. Be consistent. Practice every single day, even for 10 minutes. That's it, I ask. That's it, Ollie says. Simple things done daily create big results. The next morning, I wake up with hope. I can do this. I say to myself. I start with simple sentences. Good morning. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. What is your name? Nice to meet you. How can I help you? I repeat each sentence 10 times. Then I practice more sentences. I would like some water, please. Can you help me? I don't understand. Can you repeat? Thank you so much. Have a nice day. I feel good. This is easy. 1 week passes. I know many new sentences now. I use them every day. When I go to the shop, I say, hello, how much does this cost? The shopkeeper answers, I understand him. I will take this one, please. He gives me the item. I say, thank you, have a good day. I feel so happy. I am speaking English in real life. But learning is not always easy. Sometimes, I face problems. One day I try to speak to a stranger, but I forget my words. My mind goes blank. I want to. I cannot finish my sentence. The person walks away. I feel bad. I want to give up. Maybe I cannot do this. I think that night I call Ollie. I made a mistake today. I forgot everything. I say. Ollie laughs gently. He says, Peter, this is normal. Everyone makes mistakes. The important thing is, did you try? Yes, I try. I say, then you did not fail. You learned? Try again tomorrow. Ollie's words give me strength. I will not give up. I tell myself, I continue my practice. Every morning, every evening, I learn new sentences. Excuse me, where is the bus stopped? Could you please speak slowly? I am sorry, I am still learning. Can you help me with this? I really appreciate your help. I talk to myself in the mirror. I feel silly at first, but it works. I also start thinking in English, not in my native language. This is very helpful. 30 days pass. Something amazing happens. I meet an English tourist on the street. He asks me, "Excuse me, can you help me? I am looking for the train station." Before I would run away, but today I stop. I smile. "Of course, I can help you," I say confidently. "Go straight on this road. Then turn left. The station is on your right side. It will take about 10 minutes." I say. I walk home with a big smile. 3 months pass. The tourist smiles. He says, "Thank you so much. Your English is very good." My heart fills with joy. I cannot believe it. "Thank you. Have a safe journey. I am a different person now. I speak English every day. I am not afraid anymore. I make mistakes sometimes, but I don't care. I learn from them. Today, I want to share my story with you. I want to tell you something important. You can improve your English. It doesn't matter where you are from. It doesn't matter how weak your English is right now. It doesn't matter how many times you have failed. What matters is you start today, you practice daily, you never give up. This is actually the beginning of your story. Thank you for watching till the end. You've been listening to English Flow Listening. Listen again tomorrow to improve faster. If you enjoy this, subscribe for more daily English listening. See you in the next episode.